Welcome back to Add Art. Today I'll show you how to draw a magical tooth fairy. My daughter Emily has a wobbly front tooth, so I thought it would be a good subject. So grab your pens, pencils and toothbrushes and we'll make a start. First we'll start with the tooth fairy's eye. And another one. We'll have her looking down at a tooth she's carrying. Little nose. Put some cheeks in. Bring the head down, bring the cheek in and out, and down to the chin, and up towards the ear. Put a smile in. If I am going a little fast, remember you can always pause, catch up, and then hit play again. Bring her head up towards her crown. Let's put her hair in. Just finish that off. The hair curling as she flies. You can choose what type of hair she has. If you want to give her curly hair or short hair, it's entirely up to you. Just curve these upwards as she flaps her wings. Okay, so that's the hair done. Let's give some little eyelashes, an eyebrow. Put a neck in. Give some detail to her top. Bring the arm down. We'll put her body in now. Almost have it at an angle, kind of stretched away from her head. Let's put similar detail on the edge of her sleeves. And we'll put her arm in the hand. Another arm. We'll have this one holding a wand. So it's pointing down. Put that similar trim on the edge there of her sleeve. Now, given she's a tooth fairy, we won't give her a normal wand. We'll make this a magical toothbrush. Bristles in. For a little skirt. Some creases in it. Again, got the similar edging all the way around. Next we can put her leg in, little knee. Stretching down towards her foot. Now we'll just do a portion of her foot showing because we'll have that inside a shoe. We'll have this other leg bent upwards. Again, just curve that round, show a little portion of her foot. Now, given she's a fairy, she needs some wings. This front wing. have the second wing, and given they're very fine, you'd be able to see it through the other one. Have them flapping around here. Now, we need her with a tooth. Perhaps she's using her magic toothbrush to carry it, because it's far too big for her to lift herself. I've never seen a tooth fairy, but I've been reading that they really like teeth that have been well looked after, nice clean teeth. They often leave a little gift if the tooth is considered good enough. Let's have some magic shining off that brush, transporting this tooth back to the fairy kingdom. Now, no one really knows what they use these teeth for. Some say they use them to help build the kingdom. Others think they use them to actually help them fly. But if you ever meet a tooth fairy, perhaps you could ask them and find out the truth. Some magic sparkles off that. Okay, we'll just have the edge of a bed here, a pillow. Put some stripes in. We'll put the edge of the bed here. We'll have the bedpost going up and across and down. Headboard rising up and over there. Top of the bedpost there. Now we'll see a magical trail that she's left behind there. And there we have it. There is our tooth fairy using her magical toothbrush to carry away a shiny tooth. Now, before I go, just a quick reminder to subscribe to Add Art and hit the bell. That way you'll be the first to know when I've added a new drawing like these, which are all waiting for you to try on my Add Art channel, which you can reach by clicking my 2-pencil profile picture. And if you've enjoyed drawing along today, please do give me a like, as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who loves to draw, why not challenge them to an Add Art picture? But that's it for today, and I'll see you again on Add Art. Bye for now.